We are Group 4.
我是陈景恩，
我是吴杰宇，
我是陈宏宇。
我是刘婉珍，
我是许诗欣。
Following we'll talk about ChatGPT assisted English language learning. And first of all, the impact of English has extended beyond its linguistic implication and transforming it into a formidable catalyst and a potential agent fostering inclusivity and propelling global mobility, particularly within higher education. In this paper, we can read it from three parts. First, from fields of English, language mastery specifically in English is increasingly perceived as a vital passport and a crucial mechanism to unlock the gates of higher education and steer the wheel of global migration. Following the second part is the main character of this paper, ChatGPT, which is an innovative tool launched by OpenAI. It has functioned as a bridging mechanism and a facilitator in the labyrinth of language learning and cross-cultural communication, with its distinct emphasis on mastering English. And the last part is the implication it carries out. The scholarly pursuit promises to enrich the discourse on AI in language learning shows and has profound implications for pedagogical practice, policy making, and future research direction in digital education. This engagement simultaneously situates itself at a confluence of global mobility and cross-cultural communication. In this paper, authors used the argumentative review approach to carry out the research. The argumentative approach involves a comprehension of advantage, challenging, and its implication inherent in merging AI with language learning practice. This intuitive nature of it also enables it to reflect its on inquiry process. Besides, in this research, they use constructive social learning theory and the zone of proximal development as lens to help us observe, comprehend, and explicate the data about their research.
I'm going to introduce some key insights. First one is accessibility. The advantages of accessibility is unfettered assistance to learners, and irrespective of temporal geographical hurdles. Second key insight is personalization. The advantages of it is customization aligned with individual goals, abilities, and pace. Then, the key insight is responsiveness. It has some advantages, like dynamic adjustments in response to learners' proficiency level. Okay, we are going to the cross-cultural understanding. It has advantages, like diminishing language barriers or fostering a global dialogue. However, it has a concern. The concern is potential for cultural homogenization. For this concern, there is a solution. The solution is that we can focus on cultural education.
and I'm going to introduce the remaining key insights of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has an overdependence on AI. An unwarranted dependency on AI prevents critical thinking abilities and authentic human interaction. And the solution of it is a balance between AI and traditional methods. Then, loss of cultural nuances. The concerns of difficulty in fully interpreting subtle cultural intricacies. And the solution of it is greater focus on cultural education. The last of the key insights is the digital divide, and the concern of it is exacerbation of socio-economic disparities. And the solution of it is emphasis on digital equity initiatives.
Here is our discussion. First, impact on international mobility. ChatGPT's constant availability and personalization attribute facilitates
flexibility in learning, enhancing international mobility. Second, role in cross-cultural communication. ChatGPT diminished language barriers and encouraged cross-cultural communications, potentially revolutionizing global learning landscape. Thirdly, dependency on AI. Excessive dependency on AI, like ChatGPT, may lead to declining critical thinking abilities and general human interaction. Meanwhile, erosions of cultural diversity. Mitigating the erosions of cultural diversity requires a strong focus on cultural education. Last but not least, addressing the digital divide. Promoting digital equity is essential to ensure learners from all socio-economic backgrounds benefit from technologies like ChatGPT.
Although ChatGPT brings many advantages, it still has some barriers to apply to improve English language learning. So, how to strike a balance between technological advancements and traditional pedagogical methods? Because of the lack of human interaction and cultural comprehension for ChatGPT, maintaining this instrumental position in traditional method is an appropriate choice. Thus, instead of a full replacement, keeping a balanced, integrative approach seems to be the most effective strategy for educators. As for the application of ChatGPT in learning theory, according to the study's findings, the personalized and accessible learning experience offered by ChatGPT is in line with the principles of constructivism. It gives learners an active role in their learning progress. At the same time, the social interactive elements inherent in ChatGPT take an emphasis on the crucial role of observational learning and imitation. This principle echoes the central postulates of social learning theory. Finally, the findings from this study recognize AI technology with its influence in education transformation, and the existing challenges on AI into education ecosystems still need further research. In conclusion, ChatGPT brings a massive influence in English language learning. Positive effects including its ability like accessibility, personalization, responsiveness, and that can promote global mobility and facilitate intercultural communication. On the other hand, it causes excessive dependency on AI, loss of cultural understanding ability, and issues concerning the digital divide. These are obstacles to integrate into the education ecosystem. To solve the above problems, ChatGPT is advised to be used as a supplementary instrument to traditional teaching methods. Thank you for your listening and watching.